It's January 18, 2025. And nagising na ako kanina pang 5 a.m. and it's almost 7 a.m. Nagre-review ako ngayon and nagsusulat ng notes for the key features na performance space because we're gonna be having quiz later before the presentation of the maquette or the hour scale model. Ayun. Hindi ko pa siya tapos. So, doon pa rin ako sa multiple sets, unit set, box set. So, yung box sets pala, ano siya, mostly, one primary location lang siya and depiction siya ng room on the stage. So, basically, ang ginagamit dito is proscenium stage, which is composed ng 3 walls. 1, 2, 3, and then the separate wall, which is the imaginary or the fourth wall that divides the actors and the performers. For the unit set, it is generic and multi-purpose in a way na it can happen in multiple locations without yung physical changes mismo ng scenery. So dito, in terms of their time period and locations, hindi siya distinctive even though multi-purpose siya. Ayan. And for the multiple sets, usually ginagamit to sa musicals. It is a moving stage sets